Irregular periods are considered to be quite a common problem in women. Here's some of the most effective natural ways you can induce your periods. Soak about a cup of fenugreek seeds in water, and leave them soaked overnight. Filter the seeds from the water in the morning. Drink this water every morning on an empty stomach. You can also drink the boiled water mixed with the fenugreek seeds every morning prior to your period days. Fenugreek or meaty seeds are recommended for early periods. These seeds can also be used to get relief from your menstrual cramps. Take a glass of water, and add few pieces of chopped ginger roots to it. On a low-medium flame, boil the water for few minutes. Turn off the flame after 5 to 10 minutes, let it cool down, strain the tea and serve. Ginger tea is one of the most powerful herbs with magical properties that stimulates menstrual flow, resulting in promotion of menstruation. Ginger can be consumed in the form of tea, or fresh ginger juice, with some honey, or just as raw ginger along with honey. Drink a cup of fresh ginger juice with water every morning on an empty stomach for a few days before the regular date. Cumin is loaded with a number of health benefits. Soaked cumin can be used in the treatment of irregular period. Take 2 spoons of cumin seeds and soak in water overnight and drink both in the morning. You need to drink this water every day to get your periods regularized. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.